Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. The price line of Bitcoin is still at the resistance of this ascending triangle, and in today's video we will try to analyze whether the price line is really going to break it out or not. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. And I've also shared the link for this report in the video's description where you can find how many trades I've shared in the current month and how many trades are successful and how many trades are still available and unsuccessful as well. And for example, if you want to check any report, for example, this is the link for the X and No. You can just click on the link and you can watch how the price line entered the buying zone and how after that the price line rallied to the upside and hit the sell zone as well. And you can also visit the trading view as well by clicking here, and by clicking on the play button you can watch the chart, how the chart behaved after posting this trade. Like I've played the chart and you can see that the price line moved sideways, and after hitting the sell target it is moving here. Now let's start the analysis. First of all, let me to show you this triangle on the daily time frame. We can see that we have already broken out this very big channel, and after that the price line is stuck in this ascending triangle. We have a very strong support here at $40,000 that can, for example, if the price line will be rejected by this resistance, then we can expect that the price line may test this $40,000 support, or we may have a spike up to this support of this triangle as well. That will be very close to $40,000. And after hitting $40,000, we can expect another reversal move because the $40,000 has been working as a very strong support and resistance even in the previous history of the Bitcoin. Therefore, this time it can again work as a nice support. Right now, we are expecting that the price line can break out this resistance of the triangle. At the same time, if we switch to the 4-hourly time frame, then we can see here we have rejection here, here, and here, and here as well. So many rejections on the 4-hourly time frame we are having. And if I connect all these rejections, then we can see that the price line has formed a rising wedge pattern. And for example, if this movement will be continued, then it will be turned from rising wedge to the bullish pennant. Right now it is a rising wedge pattern. And for example, if we will have a breakout from this rising wedge pattern, then there will be a very high probability that we can also break out the resistance of this triangle as well. Now, for example, if we will break out the resistance of this triangle, then our target will be here, approximately $58,000. I'm expecting $60,000 if we place this trend line from here to this bottom and place it here. That will be very close to $60,000. And our final target for this down channel, by the way, will be here at the top of the channel. That will be here at $68,000. And by the way, we have two big kicks before the price line was stuck here in this triangle. Well, the first kick was here that we had a very nice breakout from this very big channel, and before that the price line entered the potential reversal zone of a very big harmonic bullish reversal cipher move that I shared for my members at the Patreon on 23rd of January. And I told them that from here we can expect a reversal move, and the potential reversal zone or the buying zone was from $36,100 and goes to $28,800. Now, after playing the chart, we can see that we are very close to hit this sell target. However, it can move more up because we have already broken out this very big channel, and the move can be here up to $68,000 as per the target of this down channel. So next few hours are very important. We are at the resistance of this rising wedge pattern, and at the same time we are at the resistance of this ascending triangle. And if we switch to the 4-hourly time frame, then we can see that we are making attempts again and again to break out this resistance. So there is a possibility that the price line may break out this resistance during this attempt. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.